Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about the gold and the silver market analysis for the upcoming days. First we will discuss about the gold, its analysis and its forecast. As discussed earlier, I have mentioned in my previous videos that gold it is in overall ranging in between this channel. Down, up, down, up, down. Now it is exactly on the top of the channel. Here in my previous analysis I have given by that the price it will reach here and it's most likely to reach the 1880 region, but the target was 1870.69 and it has reached there. Now the price is actually holding in the forecasted region. For this trend, the trend line I have marked here, and you can see there is one more trend line here. The prices reach the target, and here is an important calculation at this region 1878 to 1880. When the price touches here, we can see an instant drop, and you can scalp a few here. It is a very good decision area. Here the price might actually break up or it could drop down. Actually, it is not necessary that the price could drop here, but it's a very good retracement and a holding area. I would say from here the price might actually give a little bit of retracement or it could go up a bit. It hunted this high in the US session and it dropped. Actually, the price deciding, we have seen that in the previous days. The price it hunts and it drops. Same here, it hunted and dropped. You can see the similar pattern in so many places. Here as well. So it might range a bit down or it could also drop more. So it's too soon to tell here, but we will decide based on the daily close and the weekly close and some other confirmations that we see here. So this is the encoder levels which I have forecasted weeks ago. You can see the price went up. It was supposed to stop here, but it didn't actually. It holded here and it was the closing price of that day. From there it dropped, and from here it pushed on to the 1871.57 level which I have forecasted in my previous video. So you can book the profits here and wait for further confirmations that the price gives in these calculated areas. So based on that confirmations we can proceed further. It is not necessary that it could drop here. As told earlier, it can actually break up and go up a bit above. Did some scalping at this region and looking for the further entries on the price confirmations here. So that's it for gold. Now let's move on to silver. As I have mentioned in my previous videos, it is ranging from here to here, from this top to bottom. So now we are considering this trend alone, this current trend from here to here. So there is a supply level or a resistance here and one more resistance here. The price broke this region and now it's trying to drop and retrace a bit. You can see in the daily this area is of utmost important. You can also book your profits here and wait for further confirmations based on the candles and some other confluences and correlations that forms here, and based on that you should trade. Do not fix it to only sell or only buy at this region. So it's wiser to book your profits at this region. So for this trend, this would be the trend line. I have connected this to here because this is the reason, this price low is the reason for breaking this high, and I have also connected this low with this low. This is the reason it broke this high here. So most likely the price, so this trend it is in overall buy, and we will see this confirmation and decide based on that. Let's move on to my encoder calculation for silver. These are the calculator levels, encoder levels which I calculated weeks ago, same as gold. You can see the price rejection, and the price usually stops and decides here most of the time. You can see here rejected, decided, and drop again, went up again, drop up and down. Here it has decided to go up and it went up. Also we can see here a little bit of rejection in 27.551. From here it went up. I have zoomed on to H1 time frame. Here actually we saw a little bit of pattern. We tried to short here, but again the price it broke and went up and broke this high actually. So it gave major confirmation the price is moving up to reach this 28.092 target. Once it reaches, the price stopped and closed here. Later on today we saw a huge spike in the Asian session, and after all later we see a drop. We did see a drop here, but the price dropped exactly to this level and now it is currently holding here. Usually patterns like this usually can go up. If not, if in case the price drops big and if it closes below in daily or an H4, sometimes it retraces back here and it could come down up to here and decide. So this will be the decision area. Based on the confirmations we get, we enter here and decide based on that. Do not trade here blindly because of this resistance level or take sell blindly. You can scalp a bit and use these levels and calculations and trade based on the confirmations what the price gives us. Okay, that's it for silver. If there is any changes, if there is any update in my Telegram channel regularly, price action expert, you can join this. You can get the regular and instant updates here. Today I have forecasted Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty drop, silver buy, silver encoded, gold encoded, and so many analysis. So join and trade based on that. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care.